How to use Canva grids for perfect layouts. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a grid layout system using guides in Canva. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So beginning with, the first thing you need to do is enable rulers and guides. Go to File, then click View Settings, and select Show Rulers and Guides. If these aren't enabled, you won't be able to see any of the guides you create. Now let's come towards adding guides. Go back to File, open View Settings, and click on Add Guides. Canva will show you several preset options like adding 12 columns, 6 columns, or even a 3x3 grid that includes rows. Next, if you want full control, choose the Custom option. Here you can decide the exact number of columns and rows. For example, you can set it to 3 columns and 3 rows and choose a gutter, like a 10 px gap between each guide. You can also add a margin, so if you want your layout to start 50 pixels away from the edge of the canvas, just type 50px into the margin setting. Your guides will then be placed inside that margin area. After that, click Add Guides and Canva will generate the entire layout for you. These guides help you create perfectly balanced designs based on your chosen grid. Now, if you want to keep your guides in place, you can lock them. Go back to File, open View Settings, and click Lock Guides. This prevents you from accidentally dragging anything out of place. If the guides get distracting, press Shift-R to temporarily hide them. And if you want to remove everything completely, return to View Settings and choose Clear Guides. And that's how you set up a full grid layout system using guides in Canva. Simple, customizable, and perfect for clean, structured designs. That's all for the video.